Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be changing the lights in here. So I had a multicolor light. If you look at it, it tends to flicker. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's flickering like crazy. I think what's happening is that the internal circuit board is starting to wear out. And I think it happens because of the temperature. It's so drastically cold outside these days, and so it's causing the circuit to kind of malfunction. So right now I'm just going to see if I can get this out. All you have to do is just kind of sort of pry. It's just on plastic tabs. Just be careful because it's very fragile, and you can just kind of push, and you just got to be careful because there's this plastic clip here, and that goes for the SOS light there. The other thing that you need to be aware of is that this plastic pole here makes it such a hassle to unhook this thing. So the clip is there, and this plastic pole really is just a poor design. You can get a pick like this. I'm sorry, I'm just spinning this around, and you're just going to shove it and kind of pull down here. But the problem is, because of that pole at the top, it makes it so much harder to get it out. So I'm going to just pull just gently here. It's out of the clip. Pull down and kind of wiggle your way down there, and eventually it'll come out. If you don't want to go through the hassle, you could actually just pull it to the side like that, and you can actually unhook your light bulb like this, and there you go, it's out. But I mean, to make it easier, it's better to unhook the whole assembly. So right now I've got two light bulb sets. I've got this Max GTRS. I don't know, I got these for free, and then I've got a no brand. One is supposed to be blue, one is supposed to be white. So I'm gonna see how they are. Hopefully they work good. I'm still wiggling on this thing here, trying to see if I can get it out, because I want to make a comparison on these lights here. Yeah, it's kind of stuck. Yeah, this thing sucks. I don't know who designed this thing to be this way, but it kind of sucks. There you go. So there you go. You just kind of play, and eventually it'll come out. So I'm just going to compare, and just unhook these. So these you can buy online. There's a variety of places. They've got also many different types of lights. I went with one that was recommended, although I'm not sure if it's any good or not. But I mean, these days there's so many brands of LEDs. So if anyone who doesn't know how LEDs work, they only work on one direction. So if you turn it one way and you turn on the switch and it doesn't, wow, it's very bright. If it works one way and it doesn't work the other way, then or if it doesn't work, flip it and then try it again. If it still doesn't work, then you might have had a defective LED bulb. This is actually very bright. Okay, so I'm kind of happy with this one. Let me try the other, no brand name. This one I got for free. So I'm just going to try these out. These should be the blue ones, I'm guessing, because the other, like I said, is white. Oh, these are actually pretty bright too. So my rear center bulb there is blue too, so this kind of matches the setup. Very bright. I don't know, kind of like both lights. Maybe I'll go with the whites though. they seem to be brighter and they seem to be better for me. So although you guys can leave a comment and tell me which one you think is better. Yeah, these are pretty bright. I mean, you can see down here, it's pretty bright. That's just based off of one light. The green light doesn't really interfere because I still have the other green light there. So that's pretty much it. And then to put it back, you just put, so I'm gonna go with the whites if you guys are curious. So you just push it back and it's gonna click there. Make sure it goes up there, click up there, and then you're just gonna push back the assembly there. I'm gonna do this side first, and then yeah, basically that's all it is for this video. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments down below. I'll get to it as soon as possible. It's very straightforward. If you guys are interested in changing our light bulbs, I say go ahead and go do it. It'll take you like 5 minutes, as that's the length of this video. Alright guys, I hope you like, share, and subscribe.